Now let's create remove to-dos mutation. This tiny X here. So let's write it here first. We want to remove our to-dos. Let's check what to-dos do we have here. New to-do one. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. We'll execute mutation, call it remove to do, and we'll get an ID of type integer. Let's delete our to-dos where ID is equal to past ID. Now, the actual delete is as simple as passing 275 as an ID. Let's call that our new to-do one should be removed. As you can see, it's removed. Let's delete another one. Reload, and our new to-do is also removed.